Talal says, a scholar from a certain country says that the earning of YouTube becomes halal on halal products, even if they are advertised in a haram way, where there is showing off of girls and music. He also says that if you still have any doubt, you can give 10% of your earning in sadaqah. Is he right or not? The answer is displayed and shown to us in Surah Al-Ma'idah, chapter 5, in the very beginning, where Allah Azza wa Jal says, وَتَعَاوَنُوا عَلَى الْبِرِّ وَالتَّقْوَى وَلَا تَعَاوَنُوا عَلَى الْإِثْمِ وَالْعُدْوَانِ. Collaborate and cooperate upon righteousness and virtue, and do not collaborate nor cooperate on sin and transgression. This is a general statement. Any contribution from my side would be haram if I'm promoting haram. So I have a YouTube channel and it's not monetized with the grace of Allah till now. And people come and say, why don't you monetize it? You'll get a lot of money out of it. I would say, okay, where is the money coming from? Is the money coming because my material is good? They said, no. You could have porn and still the money would be pouring in. So why is the money coming in? They say, because you allowed monetization. You allowed them to put advertisement. And the advertisers pay YouTube money, and in return they pay you money. So I said, aha. So who gives the green light? I said, you're the owner. If you want to monetize, then they will put, do I have any control on the ads? I said, no. There will be music. There will be women not wearing the hijab. There will be a lot of haram things. Rarely you will find something that is halal. Do I have any control over it? I said, nope. In this case, I am the one who's pushing the button. I'm the one who's blowing the whole place up. I'm the suicide bomber, as they say. Then I'll go straight to hell because it's my doing. Now, if they were to enforce advertisements, whether you like it or not, this is a different issue. And I hope it doesn't happen. But if this happens, in this case, because the advertisements are shown and displayed, whether you like it or not, you can monetize it, but it would be like interest money given to you on your bank account without your approval. What to do? I have no other source to deposit my money in a bank without them putting interest money on, which is haram. Okay, no problem. Keep the bank account, take the interest, and dispose of it in charity. Likewise, take the money generated by the advertisements, all of it, and dispose of it in means of charity, not to get closer to Allah, rather to cleanse your wealth from such haram money. As for the scholar who said what he had said, this is his opinion, but opinions are cheaper by the dozen. They come and go. Not every person who gives fatwa, who gives an opinion, falls under the rulings of the Quran and Sunnah. This is common sense. So the explanation I gave to you is crystal clear. No advertisement would mean no money. So advertisement that are haram would equal revenue and money. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to know and understand that you are the cause of such haram advertisements and you're making money out of it. Giving 10%, giving 50%, giving 99.9% does not make it halal. Giving 100% when it's obligatory upon you to have these advertisements, whether you like it or not, that's a different issue, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.